In my opinion, the biggest benefits about flat roofs are that sometimes they can be usable space, and also it takes a minimal amount of material to cover the roof. A gable roof takes almost twice as much. On the other hand, ponding water and poor drainage can be a constant problem for many flat roof owners. Because of course, once this starts, it's only a matter of time before you get leaks into the house. And who hasn't seen the dreaded blue tarp at one time or another? Or bricks on the roof. Either way, it's not good news. Now on the older style asphalt roofing, once the asphalt begins to burn out, it shows the fibers here. And when it gets like that, it's basically like having a sponge on the roof. Faulty repairs are also a big issue with flat roofing. And when there's a leak on a roof that has concrete or tile, the concrete all has to be removed, down to the wood. Then we inspect for dry rot, and once that's all clear, we can go ahead with putting the new PVC roof on. And as you can see, this new PV system is a very clean, well-draining system. And once we get the decking on here, it's going to be protected from the sun, be usable space, and look great. Adding custom roof drains can also be a great way to alleviate pooling and ponding on a flat roof. Other structural modifications can be helpful as well, such as adding crickets to divert water toward drains. Or like in this case, simply adding a slope to the entire surface. Then we sheet it in with plywood, install the roof membrane, and just like the other one, we install decking over this to keep it as a usable space. And here we have a commercial taper system. Once the taper system's in place, a TPO roof system will be installed over the top. So since we seem to be stuck with flat roofing for now, I think calling Ron Williams Certified Roof and Inspection for your flat roofing needs is a good call. Of course, our work speaks for itself, but if that's not enough, I suggest you listen to what our customers say about us. Because being successful at flat roofing, as many roofers know, is not easy, and we have maintained a successful record of flat roofing since 1991. So call Ron Williams Certified Roof and Inspection today for all your flat roofing needs. That's 800-409-4910.